Welcome to the next level of smartphone innovation with the Oppo Reno 12 Pro. This device is more than just a phone, it's a powerful blend of futuristic AI capabilities, premium design, and versatile photography features that redefine the mid-tier smartphone experience. Let's dive into what makes this device a game-changer. The Oppo Reno 12 Pro brings elegance with two stylish color options, Space Brown, featuring a matte finish, and Nebula Silver, offering a liquid-like glossy appearance. Built with Gorilla Glass Victus 2, it's designed to handle life's accidental drops and bumps, while maintaining a lightweight, ergonomic build that feels effortless in hand. Its 6.7-inch OLED display dazzles with vibrant colors, a crisp FHD+ resolution, and a silky-smooth 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring stunning visuals whether you're scrolling, gaming, or watching videos. With three powerful 50MP cameras, main, telephoto, and front-facing, the Reno 12 Pro is ready to capture life from every angle. The AI Clear Face and AI Best Face features ensure you always get the perfect group shot by enhancing details and aligning expressions. However, the 8MP ultra-wide sensor falls a bit behind, and its post-processing AI still has room to grow for consistency in dynamic lighting. Selfie enthusiasts will appreciate the natural tones and sharp details captured by the front camera. This phone truly shines with its suite of AI features. AI Writer, draft professional emails or messages with ease. AI Summary, quickly condense articles or recordings into bullet points for easy consumption. AI Speak, transform text into natural-sounding speech, perfect for multitaskers. AI Studio, turn your selfies into unique cartoon avatars. While impressive, there's still room for refinement in tools like AI Summary, which occasionally struggles with conciseness. Under the hood, the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 delivers efficient performance for day-to-day tasks, though it lags slightly behind flagship models. Oppo's ColorOS 14.1, based on Android 14, is feature-rich, with intuitive gestures and multitasking tools to enhance productivity. Battery life won't leave you stranded, and the SuperVOOC charger ensures you're powered up in no time. At €599, the Oppo Reno 12 Pro is a solid contender in the mid-range market, offering cutting-edge AI features and a premium design at a competitive price. It may not dethrone the likes of the Galaxy S24 in performance or photography, but it delivers a unique and polished experience.